Let's make a Hasselback pumpkin with a chili maple glaze, some sage. Oh, and it's zero waste when frying up the pumpkin skins. Hi guys, welcome back to Bread and Butter. Today's dish kind of looks a bit much. It's a stunning like centerpiece, but trust me, it comes together really, really simple. First things first, I have this gorgeous, what is this called? Butternut squash. What we're gonna do is we're going to peel it, just using one of those vegetable peelers. We're gonna slice it in half, remove the seeds, and I never throw away the seeds because you can roast them and eat them and they're really good for you. And I kind of like this whole zero waste concept. So when we've prepped this beauty, we're going to pre-bake her. And then that's where the magic happens. I want to draw your attention to the fact that I haven't thrown away the pumpkin skins because we're going to be using them today. This beauty is ready. We're going to send her into a preheated oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, kind of pre-cook her. And while she's roasting and baking and getting all soft and gorgeous, we're going to fry up the skins. I'll be back in a bit. Once you've tried pumpkin skin chips, you will regret all of those years that you've been throwing these away. What I do is I kind of cut them up into little pieces, like little fries, like this. And we're gonna fry it up using some, I have olive oil for cooking, but you can use butter or ghee or whatever you have lying around in your pantry. And when I finish with these, I think the pumpkin will be ready. I have a lot of things going on. So this has been pre-cooked. We'll give it some time to rest. My gorgeous chips. Do you hear that crunch? Oh my God, they're so delicious. Right now what I'm doing is I'm infusing the oil. I have some sage leaves, which are gonna get nice and crispy. And I have some chili, just to give it like some spice. So the minute the leaves become chips, I'm gonna remove them. Again, I'm just gonna put them on a plate with a little napkin to absorb all the excess oil. And then we're gonna start slicing up beautifully the pumpkin. Now our goal is to kind of make small cuts in the pumpkin, but we don't wanna kind of cut it all the way through so that it doesn't fall apart. That's why I like to use chopsticks. I steal them from the local sushi place and I place them on both sides, and that will kind of act as a stopper so that the knife doesn't go completely through. When we've made let's say, incisions, I like to take some more sage leaves, not the crispy ones that we fried up that we used to infuse the oil, but some fresh leaves and kind of plant them. This stuff is it smells just absolutely divine. It has these soft leaves. We're gonna kind of place them inside the cuts and then continue baking this beauty, but we will also be basting it with this oil that I've also spiced up with the chili, the sage, and I added maple syrup. If you wanna use honey or agave, do whatever you like, but that kind of sweet, spicy thing is gonna be a massive, major glaze. it's not overwhelming. You just kind of prepare the pumpkin and then you bake it and then you glaze it and then you glaze it again. But you know, the devil is in the details. When you have that oil that's infused with the sage, with the chili, it just adds so many different dimensions. I sprinkled the sage chips on top, the ones that we fried in the oil. Just listen to this crunch. I hope you can hear it. They're so delicious and delicate and crunchy. These pumpkin skins are just beyond. I sprinkled some pecans, some pistachios. You could do some roasted pine nuts. Cinnamon would be good here. But overall, it's just balanced and gorgeous and really quite spicy. Now let's dig in. I don't even know where to start. Let's go here. What's great about slicing the pumpkin, that the glaze kind of goes inside and the pumpkin is like infused throughout. There's nothing better than this. For fall, for winter, you can eat this hot. You can serve it up cold. I love it. I'm obsessed. Guys, make sure you try this. Let me know in the comments how you like this recipe. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more. Lots of more recipes.